Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a comparison between Scalenut and Clearscope, two powerful AI-driven content generation and SEO tools. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at Scalenut. Scalenut offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline your content creation process. It boasts features like an SEO assistant, AI copywriter, and a managed marketplace for hiring top talent. This makes it a versatile solution for various content needs. One of Scalenut's key strengths is its support for both long-form and short-form content generation. This means you can tackle various content needs, from comprehensive articles to concise social media posts. Additionally, Scalenut provides insights into NLP term analysis and competition analysis directly integrated into the content creation workflow. In terms of pricing, Scalenut's pricing varies based on usage and features, including 3 options for individual users and businesses. On the other hand, Clearscope specializes in content optimization, providing tools to improve content relevance and performance. Its features include keyword research, content analysis, topic suggestions, and content grading. Clearscope focuses on helping users create high-quality, optimized content that resonates with target audiences and ranks well in search engine results. Clearscope also provides with the content grade, word count, and readability. In terms of pricing, like Scalenut, Clearscope also provides 3 plans which differ in terms of the number of features included in each tier, catering to different user requirements. In summary, Scalenut may be preferred by users seeking a comprehensive suite of SEO tools, while Clearscope may appeal to those focused on content optimization and relevance. Users should consider their specific needs and budget when choosing between the two. That's all. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these 2 platforms. Thank you for watching.